Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are here again back with the most demanded and requested collection of fancy borderless soft silk sarees. These sarees are light in weight, soft in nature, easy to carry and be used as a perfect wear for any kind of occasions. Beautiful and unique buttas are symmetrically arranged, running all over the body, along with a running or contrast rich pallu and plain blouse. We have used golden, silver and copper zari woven designs in these collections, and these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 800 rupees only, along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook or Instagram pages. The links are given in the description. Please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer the amount to our account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share any kind of your queries through the given WhatsApp number. As in every video we are saying, these collections are most demanded and be finishing within hours after posting the video, so please grab your order soon. And don't worry if you are not getting the stock, we will be restocking. We are continuously restocking the same collection in every week. And also, if you wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp group. The links are given in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.